Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box assembly on a Jeep Wrangler YJ. This is actually a 1989 Wrangler that we're dealing with, but it would work for all the YJs. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's the handle, and right above the handle there you'll see there's the three Phillips screws that have to come out right there. So we're going to go ahead and get a Phillips screwdriver and get them out. Take these three Phillips screws out of the dash to release the handles piece. Then we've got two 5/16 bolts here and then four 7/16 bolts behind the dash that will come out, and we'll be able to take this thing out, and I think we'll be good. There we go. And there's four of these 5/16 that will release the door panel with the hinge. Get the, oh, there we go. There we go. Here's where the four 5/16 bolts came out. Releasing this piece here, that's the hinge to the door. And there's the door there. You can see right here, these two spots there and two there is where the clips broke, and we'll fix that. So now there's four 7/16 bolts behind these panels underneath the dash. So we need to get under there to get to them. You'll need a ratchet and a socket for that. Unfortunately, these 7/16 bolts are hard to find, so you have to kind of feel under there, take the ratchet, and then go ahead and undo those. Okay, come in here behind the dash, and you'll see right there, those are the bolts. I took one off. The other one needs to be taken off. There's 7/16, two on each side, and then that frees up the glove box assembly to come out. You can see it starting to come out. Let's get the other side. Feel around back here. There we go. Go ahead and undo that bolt by hand. That's it. There we go. There we go. Well, this pretty much wraps up this video on how to remove the glove box assembly from a Jeep Wrangler YJ. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please give a thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly posting new content each week. We'll see you next time.